Hello, my name is Kyle Carter, and here I'll be discussing homework number, I think five or six, part number 2. So here's my code for the ALU. I'm gonna start with my clock though. So for the clock, it's gonna be a slow clock. The only reason I'm doing the clock output, and then the output is gonna be shown in the top module so that I can see what time I'm gonna have to do each of the inputs. It's just for myself. For the melee, the sequence that I'm gonna be detecting is 1, 1, 0, 0. And the output is going to be Z. Z is going to be my output, and then yeah. So the ALU, the different sequences of what I'm trying to, the different mathological equations of which I'm trying to implement is the OR, and count plus A. So that would be 4 plus the value of A that I give it, the 4-bit input of A plus the 4. Then it will be count plus B, so the input of the 4-bit input of B as well as 4 plus 4. That would be that. And then for the top module, it connects all of these different entities together to give me the desired result. So for the waveform of which I'm going to show, which one is the one for, okay, this is the one with the input. This other waveform, this is the one for the part 1 that I did a video on. Okay, so I have the 3 inputs, timer, clock, input. One of the outputs isn't shown. That's going to be clock output, and that's the output to just show me the value of the output on the clock to show me when I can put in each input. So the timer, when the timer is 1, no matter what the input is, it will always be 0 as the output for all of these. So when the clock is 1, I go into state. Current state will be 0, and it will be the OR state. So when I have 1, 1, 1, the output will be 1, 1, 1, 0. I'm sorry, this is 1, 1, 1, 0. The output will be 1, 1, 1, 0. When I have 0, 1, 1, 1 as the input for input A, and then all zeros for the input B, the output will be 0, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0 for the input A will give me, and 1, 1, 0, 1 will give me 1, 1, 0, 1, and then a 0, 0, 0 input and a 0, 0, 1 input for input B will give me a 0, 0, 1, 0 output. So when the clock is at 0, nothing happens. In real time, if the output is, so if the clock ends up being a rising edge 1, and then the output would be a 0, then it will detect the sequence, and it will go back to state 0. But for this lab, for this homework, I'm just going to put this right back to how it was. Okay, so for the AND sequence, it will be both of the rising edge of the clock as well as the input will be 1, and then that will be if I get a 0, 0, 1, 0 and a 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 input, then that means that the clock will then generate a 0, 0, all zeros for the output, 1, 1, 0, 0 for input A, and a 0, 0, 1, 1 input for input B. I will still be getting a 0, 0, all straight zeros all across the board. If I get 0, 1, 1, 0 and a 0, 1, 1, 0 here, then the output will be 0, 1, 1, 0. And when I get all 1s for the input for input A and B, then the output will be 1, 1, 1, 1 for output. So for the third state, if the clock is a rising edge and that input is a 0, then I will then implement the count plus A. So that will be 4 plus A, and that will be 0, 0, 1, 1. So that would be 0, 0, 1, 1, that's 3. No matter what this is, it doesn't really matter because I'm not generating B. So I just did a couple of random edges there. So it would be 0, 1, 1, 1, that would be 7. 1, 0, 0, 1, that would be 9, plus 4, that will give me 13, so that would be this, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1 will give me that number, and then the output would be 15. So I believe this is not, that is 11, 8, 8 plus 2 plus 1, yeah, it's 11. And then the same thing here, no matter what the output is here, input is here, then it doesn't really matter. So it will be B plus 4. So 0011 will give me 0111 for the output. 1001 will then give me 1101, and then 1011 for the input for input B will give me 15 or 1111 for the output. Thank you.